What's going on? Look where we're at, the Home Depot. And you know, supposedly it's that time, so Black Friday sales. And I don't know if we're gonna find any good ones. Let's see if there's some PACKOUT stuff. Let's see what we can find. So we're inside, so let's go ahead and see what they've got. I'm seeing a couple items here. Let me turn this thing around and we'll show you what we got going. All right, so let's see. First thing we're gonna notice, the big sale here that I see, right? Here's that oscillating one's okay. It's vacuum, $189, PACKOUT vacuum. They've been $199 the whole time, so that's not bad. They're doing these deals again. This one has Sawzall blades, $49. Take out the cost of the PACKOUT case. I saw one down here. Let's go take a look. $219. So PACKOUTs, it's funny, they have their stuff split up. They don't have any of these marked down. Remember, those were $39 before COVID got bad. There's an XL. It's not bad. So end caps are always where to look at. Looks like they're getting rid of some of these 18 gauges. It's not terrible. Those up and down aisles there in the tool, they're not really doing much. But these little end setups here. Gloves, not bad, eye protection. The blue brand. That's not terrible. Which one would you get? What color?
Red.
Red, okay. You're doing the right thing. You're allowed to come home. So what else are they doing? Ooh, 97 cents. Come on, where's all the meat and potatoes? I mean, this stuff is great. PPE. This helmet deal isn't terrible. It's got the light and everything.
And there's a little one here too.
Yeah. 49. It's funny, they don't have the price of those. I must not have gotten to over here. Let's go check out what else they got. I caught this one. You guys remember when I posted about this? They are doing this $39. Came with the PACKOUT and the whole saw bits. Now they're $29. This isn't probably going to be at every Home Depot, but that's a good deal. Now it's a good deal. What else? What else? Okay, so this is where it's all at. So let's go take a look. Some of the Makita. What are they doing? So compact. So what are they just saying? Buy this kit. The big one, you get 2 free tools. So that's not bad. That would be nice. So $3.99, you get 2 of those. $2.49 one, $2.49 one. So spend the least amount, $179, and then get some of that. It's not terrible. It's a nice looking circular saw, but it's the wrong color. We should look at Milwaukee. All right, Milwaukee, get 1 free tool. So this is the deal that everyone keeps talking about, and I sort of agree, because you know, you can't have too many batteries, and that router, you'll pay that much for that router, $199. You can get the router essentially for free. And this surge is usually $149, so $40, $50 is not a bad price. Right, $50 is what you'd pay for that. If you bought that kit, essentially, it'd be $149 for that. Only $50 more, that's not bad. And it looks like they got a good bit of them, so it's not gonna be a bad deal this holiday season. There's yellow. Do we want to see yellow? I guess we can look at yellow. 3 free tools. I mean, it's $5.99. Let's see, $3.99. 2 free tools, 1. So you can tell that Milwaukee values their stuff a little better than the yellow team. What are you doing? You're a dork. All right, so yeah, I mean, $1.99, $1.99. You still get one free tool. That's not bad. These atomics are pretty nice, but getting the wrong color. So let's go on to another TTI product. What are they doing? $4.10. Your choice, $99. They're not really doing a package deal. Just this kit, this kit, this kit. Have we seen any packouts? They got these kits. 19 Sawzall blades. So all these, 99 bucks. It's not bad. I would say that's a yes on that. I like that light. Yes on that. Don't do it. This should not be allowed to be called either one of those. I'm just saying. I have it, and I'm actually going to do a video showing that compared to the fuel. But that light's pretty nice. So everyone's been talking about these new ones, which it's a good price for the kit. And honestly, why are we not just putting it in a pack out? But $49, not bad. So look at that, right? $49 for that kit. It's a few more pieces than the PACKOUT one, but you could buy the PACKOUT. Shockwave, right? I'll show you that one. $24 for that kit. That's a good price. I've been spending more than that. Okay, look at this. Look at this one. 99 bucks. The two, oh, they're only threes. Now, this guy, on the other hand, I wouldn't mind getting my hands on that, but look at this. This was a full kit. Now you can get it for $1.99, or that 3/8 ratchet. I would do that. That's a good little pack. 14 bucks for those two. Nice. Over here, over here, over here. Oh yeah, a 56 piece. For $99, and then as he said, hammer time. These, I know people have been looking for those little cases. 24 bucks. That's not bad at all. Look at that, 120 pieces. That'd look good in a pack out. Husky, we don't want to look at it. Have we seen packouts anywhere?
No.
Let's go find packouts. Still haven't found the packouts, but I did find these. 19 bucks. It's an assortment, 80, 120, 180, 220 Diablo. Sandettes, that's what I use. They're blades. What's this? What's the price on that? Let's see, what do we got? Well, that's not bad at all. 12 bucks for all of that. How many pieces is that? Should say 10 piece. Normally you get the 12. Yes, circular saw. You can throw those like frisbees. Oh, there's the Ryobi. So $179, you get a free battery. $179 free battery. It's not bad. Still on the way to find the packouts. Not terrible. I don't really use these tiny batteries anymore. But 69 bucks for the 2-pack of CP 1.5s. And we got some big boys. Not really a deal on that. Somebody gave me crap in one of my videos because I was using an Empire level because, well, Empire is actually owned by TTI, and I liked their level, and it was a good price. But now I could get a good price on that level, 30 bucks, and this level. But I honestly was waiting for one of the digital ones. All right, so we got some gear wrench, $199. Ooh, those are nice. $18 piece. Stanley, good old Stanley. Oh, I think we found it. The PACKOUT. So if you guys remember, that's right, last season this would have been the 3-piece with the roller, medium, and a small toolbox for $199. And right now, $199. So you're thinking, oh, hey, right? No, because these used to be $39, right? So this used to be a $179 kit. So, I mean, they're discounting these back to sort of pre-COVID cost, but they're not really lowering it that much because all of these they raised the prices on. But they have them.
Yeah.
It's not terrible. They don't have a lot of them. What else? What other kits do they have? They get the rigid one. The rigid 119, but come on, it's the rigid. And they got the Tough System 2.0, 149. I mean, I guess you could say if you like that color combination. I don't know. It's just so cheap. That's my opinion. I know you yellow guys will hate me for it, but that's about it. What do you think? Is that about it? We need better deals. Do you agree?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's say goodbye to the tools. Bye, PACKOUT. Well, fun times. He agrees we need better deals. And that's about it for this holiday guide. I hope you guys go to Home Depot and buy something red. Nothing else. Just buy red. You didn't see too many PACKOUTs, so I guess I'm going to have to pack out of here. Thanks for watching.